I'm Ivan Vasilyev, and I'm the Chief Design Officer of Serotiny Group. Serotiny Group is a turnkey provider for modular construction. So we do everything from design to managing manufacturing, logistics, and assembly of the structures. The lack of housing is ubiquitous around the world. Everyone's struggling with it. In Canada in particular, we have a big shortfall. We have a limited amount of construction workers. The types of housing getting built is very narrow in scope. If you take a modular building and you take it through a traditional process, you end up having a product that's usually too expensive or too lengthy, and it gets canceled. One of the challenges that our clients have raised is that there's a very long and arduous process to get to a go to no-go stage of our projects, typically up to 18 months. And so what we have done is approach clients and try to get them to that point in 6 weeks. And we do that through really detailed design sessions and weekly workshops, and everything that takes into account logistics, financing, design, and construction. The way we approach it is through panelized construction, where you build it in a series of kit of parts and then you assemble it on site. So that really allows you to do a lot more different types of buildings. So you're not limited by the types of spaces you create because of the trucking regulations and the lanes of roads. You're able to create a larger variety of architecture. We had an active project with about 200 units. We were able to really accelerate the pipeline and add an additional 600 units within 6 months. We were able to grow our team and really expand both the locations and the types of projects that we do. Over the next couple of years, we definitely see a large growth in the Toronto and Vancouver market. There's many different regulations that just came through that are really exciting for us. We're really excited about the next 3 to 5 years. It really allows us to bring these kind of affordable and sustainable modular solutions into the market, make them commonplace, and make them competitive for a lot of developers, non-for-profits, and ultimately consumers. One of the things that inspired us to create this company is making sustainability affordable. We've always challenged this notion that just because something is sustainable, it has to be more expensive. So what we focus on building is high quality buildings, but they stay sustainable and affordable.